Hi, this is Tamizharasi, Assistant Professor, Department of CSE, RMDEC Engineering College. So, this video lecture, we are going to see how to define an array in PHP. So, before getting into defining an array, I will give you a short introduction and the structure of a PHP. Okay. So, what is PHP? PHP is a server-side scripting language. I hope you all know the expansion for PHP is Hypertext Preprocessor. Uh, this is a scripting language which is used on the server side, that is executed on the server side. And this PHP supports many databases like MySQL, Oracle, Sybase, ODBC, etc. So, and this PHP is an open source software, so it is freely downloadable and you can use it. Okay. When it comes to PHP, it can run on any different platforms like Windows, Linux, etc. And it is also compatible with almost all the servers that is used today, say for example, Apache, IIS, etc. And as I told you, it is freely downloadable. The official website for PHP download is www.php.net, and you can easily learn and run efficiently on the server side. Okay. So this is the structure of a PHP program. You can look into the program. So here I have given the doc type where I have included a DTD. This is optional. If you wanted to include any DTD, you can include. Coming to this part, we have taken the HTML tag and we had given a title in the head section. And inside the body, we have enclosed the PHP part. Okay. So the PHP code will be always enclosed with the start tag is question mark PHP and it ends with question mark greater than symbol. Okay. And this is one simple program. This is the PHP part. You can see here inside the body. It starts with question mark PHP and ends with question mark greater than symbol. Okay. And echo is the statement used for printing. Okay. So whatever message you wanted to print, you will be using the command echo. So just I have given an example. This code will print the description, hi, I am a PHP script. So this is the structure of a PHP. Now we will get into the array concept. I hope you all know what is an array. So like all other languages, array is a variable which helps you to store more than one values, maybe of same type or maybe of different types. It depends upon the programming languages. Say for example, Python helps you to store values of different data types, whereas C or C++ does not allow you. A single array can store n number of elements of same data type. Okay. So like when it comes to an array, it is a special variable which can store multiple values. Okay. Of same type maybe. Let me take an example. Whenever you wanted to define an array in PHP, always the variable names in PHP starts with a dollar symbol. I have look at the example here. I have taken a variable cars. Okay. So as I told you, always the variable names in PHP starts with dollar symbol. So dollar cars1 is equal to I am storing a value. Cars2 I am storing a value. And cars3 I am taking a value. Okay. So like when it comes to an array in PHP, there are three kinds of arrays. One is numeric array, second one is associative array, and third one is multi-dimensional array. So an array with a numeric index, we say it as a numeric array. and an array where each ID, a key is associated with a value. In that case, we say it as a associative array. For each and every key, there will be a value, key value pairs. Such type of arrays, we say it as associative array. And the third is multi-dimensional array, where an array can contain one or more arrays. So you can have an array within another array. That is multi-dimensional array. So let us see one example for all three types of arrays. First one, it is a numeric array. So it is going to have the array element with numeric index. Say for example, A of 0, A of 1, A of 2 with numeric index. Okay. So let us see this example. I have taken a variable cards. So I am making this as an array object. So in PHP, array is an object. So I give array of, I'm giving 4 values. Saab, Volvo, BMW, Toyota. I'm giving 4 values. So now when you are accessing the array, it will be using the numeric index. Saab will be like cards of 0. This is cards of 1. So always the array index starts from 0. So this is the 0th element, first element, second element, and third element. Like all the other languages, here also the index starts from 0. Okay. So whenever you wanted to refer to the elements of an array, you will be using the index. Okay. So this is one example. So I am including the cards array inside the PHP tag. Okay. I have taken a array cards with 4 values. So whenever I wanted to refer to the values, I have to use it with the index. If I wanted to retrieve the value Volvo, then I have to use $cars of 1. So whatever value which is present in the first index. Okay. Next is associative array. This is like you have an ID and a value associated with ID. So that is what associative array. For each and every key, there will be a value associated with it. Okay. So you can look at the example here. I have taken a variable, array variable ages. So see here, I have created it as an array object with the 3 key value pairs. Okay, first one is Peter, value is 32. Okay, Quagmire, value is 30, and Joe, value is 34. That is age of Peter is 32. Okay, so for each and every value, I am just making it as a key value pair. That is what we say it as associate array. So whenever I wanted to retrieve the age of Peter, I have to give $ages of Peter is equal to 32. Okay. So this is the example where I am going to print the age of the Peter. So I have assigned the ages for 3 different person. I'm going to print Peter, value of Peter, age of Peter. So I'm using echo statement. Echo Peter is how many years old? Is 32 years old. It is stored in array variable ages. So ages of Peter is the array variable. So you have to differentiate the string and the variable value with a dot. Okay. And the third one is multi-dimensional array. So as I told you, it can hold one or more array. That is what multi-dimensional array. Look at the example here. We have created a multi-dimensional array. I have taken the name of the variable is families. It is an array object. See here, I have taken Griffin. Again, Griffin. It is again an array of 3 person, Peter, Lois, and Megan. And Quagmire, again it is an array with 1 person named Glenn. Again, we have taken the third key, that is Brown. And again, it is an array object with 3 values, Cleveland, Loretta, and Junior. we have taken array object families, and inside the array families array, we have taken three IDs, that is Griffin, Quagmire, and Brown, where each and every IDs internally have another set of elements. Okay, this is what we say it as multi-dimensional array. So this would be the output. Say for example, Griffin, it is an array object with three datas. Griffin of 0, 1, and 2. Peter, Lois, and Megan. Quagmire, one element, that is 0th element alone. Again, Brown is again an internal array, sub-array with three elements. 0 is Cleveland, 1 and Loretta, and 2 and Julie. Okay. So as I told you, you can have a numeric array, that is an array with numeric index. You can have an associative array, that is like you will be having IDs and values associated with it. And the third option is multi-dimensional array, where you can have a single array or maybe more than one sub-arrays. Okay. So this is one example. Thank you.